Hey guys, I'm Dan from BOSS Agriculture and I'm here today to tell you a bit about our new CSX 100 BOSS Trailed Sprayers. So this is our 10,000 litre model. So you'll see we've got a floating A-frame on here, on A-frame suspension at the front, which is dampening all the motion through to the tractor, which is really handy to smooth out your ride. Got a nice walkway here up to the top of the tank. So you've got your inspection lid up there. You've also got your gauges up there, your pump gauge, line gauge, your air tank and your airbags. You've also got an 800 litre fresh tank at the front here, which is linked to a flush on the go that can be done through the joystick. So you're able to activate that all from the cab, which is really handy. Coming around here, we've got a 12 volt chemical pump for filling is an option if you want that, which is controlled from the tap wall. Then we've also got our spray venturi functionality, our hopper flush and our fresh fill, and also our tank rinse. Then we've also got our 100 litre hopper here with all of our functions on the side there. Inside the hopper here, you'll see a really cool stainless steel gauge, which is really handy for doing accurate batching into there. And you've also got a drum rinse on there as well. Then we've got our hopper suction here through to the main tank, and then we've also got our probe suction here as well for more chemical induction. We've also got our 3-inch fill pump here, which is hydraulic, and you can select whether you fill that from the main tank or the fresh tank. And we've also got the functionality for auto shut off on that as well. So you can have that filling up and automatically shut off when it reaches the top of the tank. A 3-inch auxiliary fill point, and also a tank level gauge as well here. And our 10,000 litre machine is a nice compact chassis on a single axle. So we've got a 710/70 R42 wheel. And what's really unique about this is its maneuverability in field, its ability to get around. Yeah, super nice. And I'll show you guys at the back of the boom. I'll see you there. Guys, welcome to our center rack at the back of the boom. So here we'll run through a few features. We've got our self-leveling rolling system at the back here, which is all running on all our spherical Teflon line maintenance-free links. We've also got our yaw dampening, so all the movement through the boom is transferring through our yaw control at the center frame here, which is definitely smoothing out all those boom movements in the paddock, which is super cool. And we've also got a full boom recirc system, so it's a live boom all of the time. So yeah, so from main tank or fresh tank, it's always recirculating and self-priming, which is really handy. We've also got a nice, on this model here is a 36 metre structured boom design, so super strong. And all your nozzles are protected up in the boom structure, which is really unique to our boom design. So you'll see the boom's completely made around all the nozzles, and that gives it really good protection. Make our way down the boom here, and we'll show you some features throughout. So here you'll see our secondary fold point. Also has the ability to break away if it needs to. But more importantly, you've got your 3 metre breakaway down the end as well. So this is a 36 metre model. Make our way down here. And on our 36 metre, we've got a 3 metre breakaway. So this is all moulded out of one aluminium piece. And again, you'll see all your nozzles are protected up in here, which is super handy. If you guys stay there, I'll show you how it breaks away. So if you hit an obstacle, we can break all the way back to 90 degrees and then release that, and that'll go back home. And then with our weed it model as well, you'll see we've got our additional weed it guard on here, and this has the ability to fold down 90 degrees. So again, everything is completely protected. All right guys, as part of the BOSS spraying range, we offer the weed it technology. So what's really cool about the weed it technology, it's a sensor using chlorophyll detection. So we have one sensor every single metre, and then we have nozzles at 250 mil spacings. So basically this is really high definition spot spraying. So we're able to really, with pinpoint accuracy, every 250 mil, we're able to precisely fire and hit weeds. This is also operating on 50 Hertz PWM. So we're able to offer pressure-based control and also turn compensation. So on your corners, turning left and right, each and every single nozzle is able to compensate as it's taking a corner. So instead of over applying on the inside turn, we're able to get true rate inside and outside. Yeah, so over here, I'll show you in more detail. We've got our infrared sensor up here, and then you'll see we've got our nozzles at 250 mil spacings. So I'll show you through the screen. In here we can set up, at the moment it's set up on spot spray mode, but we've got the ability to change from spot spray to our full cover mode as well for our full cover spraying. And then we've also got dual spraying as well. So we can split the frequency, split the rates, potentially spray at 30, 50 litres a hectare. And then when we see a weed, we can spot at up to 100 litres a hectare as an example. So in this scenario, I want to spot spray. I can confirm the mode, and then it'll log in those settings. And then what we'll be able to do is we'll be able to show you the accuracy if we switch that on. The beauty of a sensor system is something as simple as that with a very tight offset. So we're only looking approximately 600 mil in front of the boom. So we have a very tight offset. So we work very well on the corners as well. And then, yeah, the huge advantage of sensor technology and the speed that it reacts, something as small as that passing through, still gonna hit it. That's the beauty of sensor technology.